we've got a bunch of products we've been working on for a company that we did the other project for. You may have seen a big crawler course for a remote control vehicle. They approached us as well to see if we could do something for them to put in their hobby stores to show off some of their cool features they have on their cars and things like that. So now we're back full circle, come back to doing the prototypes to where they're going to have it in the hobby stores all throughout the US and potentially even Europe as well. It's pretty neat. If it works out, if we can get it going, potentially 600 to 1,200 pieces, so it's a pretty nice project. So this is where it started. They came to us with this idea, with this box they made by themselves. They picked up a piece of background we had laying around and said, hey, make this work. And then that evolved into this whole thing where we did a bunch of prototyping for them, different sort of textures, elevations, things like that, trying to make it fit into their display box. What they eventually first landed on was this model here, where it's got some elevation, some definition, but it's still sort of flat. They're going to have two vehicles that are displayed on here as well. Now that's changing again, as all prototype projects do, and it's going to evolve into something with possibly a little bit more elevation, maybe a custom rock where it's showing the car really coming up and climbing and showing the potential of their product. So exciting stuff. So almost to the end of this now, so stay tuned to see where we end up taking it and what the final product looks like. It's going to look really nice in their box when it's all finished as well. I think it'll be pretty impressive.
So you saw us working on products for Traxxas. You know, Traxxas is the little model cars, remote control cars and whatnot. So they've created this little nice cardboard graphic display point of sale thing here. Nice and neat. The little model cars go in here. A bunch of guys, just one after another. And I think they've got some other projects they want us to do straight after this too.
So here it is, the final one. We had maybe 4 or 5 more iterations since what you saw earlier on the table, but this is it. It's taken us about 3 days to make it with 10 guys. It was pretty hard go at it, but we did it. If you see over here, we got about a third of the order just sitting right here, and the rest is scattered around in various stages of production. We're getting ready to ship these out in the next couple days. We got 10 other things going on at the same time as well to get back to normal. We had to rearrange the whole booth to kind of fulfill this order. Yeah. And now we're just on to the next thing we got going on.